Wow, it's like idle goods is being censored out. It's like, don't show idle goods anymore. No more idle goods. I was like, no longer best friends with idols. We got Hololive. They're like, we buy Hololive. Surugayaa was always really good. Wow, it's just like the cheap stuff they just want to get rid of. 400 yen, that's ridiculous. I saw this price, I'm like, yes. And plus I haven't seen any of the machines. I think they sold out for actual.
Are you getting that?
Yeah. These we can drop off stuff if you know what it's like. It's. That was Hololive for a second, I was getting excited. Yes, that is Hololive.
That's one of those crane games.
Yeah, these are the crane games. I mean, this may be like crane game area. Some of the crane game machine toys are ridiculously cheap. Wow, that's only recently come out, which is really nice. Yeah. Shows you what Disney Plus can do to you. Shows you what Disney Plus can do to your popularity. That only came out on Disney Plus, so yeah. I don't think a lot of people can skip it because a lot of weeps have Disney Plus. They should pay people to get this one. It's funny when you come to an unpopular character, it's just like 600 yen, 400 yen. Then you come to her sisters and like, oh yeah, these are more popular, there we go. Oh yeah, back to unpopular character. I want you to find the character that it's like, we pay you to take this off our hands because we dislike this character so much.
Unpopular character.
Controversial opinion. Controversial.
I mean, it's not controversial, really.
It's controversial.
It's not really controversial.
It's
pretty standard opinion.
Maybe.
It's the least controversial.
It's different. It's not from the same set.
Yeah, but still cheaper, isn't it?
Yeah, but
she's still more expensive than all of them.
This is from a lottery. This is from a claw machine. This is
Yeah,
from a lottery.
It's still
from a lottery.
expensive.
It's from a lottery.
Yeah,
this is
still more expensive.
Because it's from a lottery.
Because it's more popular.
Because it's from a
Tim, I know you're trying to make excuses for Ray, but it's just, you know, you just got to accept that she's just not as popular.
But the customers more expensive, so they're saying.
I mean, that's because you got Sword Art Online weebs.
I like this anime, Superman, and the Karate Kid. That's another good anime. Oh, and they're playing the anime theme of one of the most underrated animes of recent time due to Netflix jail. I may put this back for now and then look around it because I just realised I've kind of been an idiot buying it in the first shop because I've done.
Do you reckon Francis would like this?
Yes, doesn't he like those?
Yeah, he likes.
So yeah, buy them because there's not much merchandise of them. They'll put you back for now, but I know you're here. You're around here somewhere. It's weird. Anya, that's kind of concerning. Anya's like that much. Yours.
Oh, I found Errol. I found Errol. What game is this?
The new game. It's the little thing.
Is it?
Yeah.
But it's so cheap.
That's the thing. It's Japan, Michael. It's Japan. Michael, you live here. I should be the one.
I buy figures because I'm not an idiot and waste my money.
Behind you, there's figures you'd like.
I mean, I think I've got one actually.
Jotaro. Oh wow, this is like we don't want this. Look at this, it's just like, hey, these are the figures for those boxes, would you like? Yeah, I'm coming back.
You can be the first person to do a denden town, you'll go viral.
Yeah. That's what I'm trying to do, that's why I think I'm going to try and get loads of footage here.
You're going to go viral.
Because I don't think Denden Town, yeah. But you know what I mean, it's like, that perfect example, that video I sent you last night. It's just, it's the way...
Is this what? Just like what?
Plushes, it's like they've got spy fan. Plushes and keychains.
Oh,
behind you. This is Chainsaw Man.
Perfect.
Oh man,
How much is that?
that is way less than. Actually, I'd kind of recommend that because you can put it on your shop. I won one at the arcade.
These are.
This is Chainsaw Man.
This is Chainsaw Man.
That's the character Francis is after.
Oh, so I can get this.
Yeah, I'd recommend just probably.
I'll just get that.
That I know it's a bit expensive, but it's like normally 300 yen to have a go on the machine. So
I'll get this, and I'll get that other one downstairs when we come back.
Yeah. Impact video. Yeah, I have just found Hollow Live.